The teenage years are a beautiful phase. It's a phase where you discover new emotions, start connecting better. But wait, when I say teenage phase, don't think deep like the whole friendship and dating dramas. We'll keep the topic for another day. The major snag among the youth today is stress, especially with the teenagers. Stress revolves around many other factors like school life, extracurricular activities, family obligations, just name them. Say goodbye to worries because we have come up with 8 simple stress-busting tips that's gonna help you in the long run. Practice good time management. How many of you face the issue of time management? All of us do. We often get so stressed that we end up having poor time management skills. No worries, let's take it bit by bit. First of all, prepare your to-do list. That is, all that you have planned for the week so that you can see where you can fit them all. You can keep a track of your assignments, the hours you worked on, your sports practice, etc. But what if all these activities don't fit in? In that case, you can talk it out with your near ones on dividing responsibilities. They'll give you a clear-cut idea of what's doable and what's not. Doesn't that make your work a lot easier? Early to bed, early to rise. Quite a common saying, isn't it? A good 9 hours of sleep is mandatory for a healthy living, especially for teenagers. Our body is at work every now and then because it consumes a lot of energy. How? Studying, physical activities like exercises, sports, dance, etc. Do you see that? Your brain and your body performs all kinds of activities. So don't you think they need ample rest? Sleep deficiency leads to stress, anxiety, and feelings of overwhelm. If your children are finding it hard to get a good night's sleep, then you've got to keep an eye on their pre-bedtime habits like the use of mobile phones, consumption of coffee or soft drinks, and late-night conversation with their buddies. In that case, you've got to educate them about the pros and cons of sleeping very late. Good sleep is precious, and you can never let these factors invade a beauty sleep. Exercise each day. Exercise is a best stress buster. Now you'll be like, forget it. We barely have time for exercises. We have to drop our kids at school, take care of their studies, do the chores. Oof. Relax. We are not recommending you to spend an hour or 2 with your children's exercises. Dear parents and teens, do you know that performing exercises even for 10 minutes twice or thrice a day gives you all the benefits you need? Yes, that's true. Exercising even for 10 minutes will give you a fresh and stable mind. Spend time with friends. School to home, home to school, doing homework and dozing off after watching their favorite TV show. Why do you think this happens? This is all because of stress a teenager goes through. Well, when the routine work gets hectic, it's very important to cut off for some time and spend some quality time with friends. Having a good time with your buddies not only eases off tension but also rejuvenates the mind and gives a positive approach to life. Catch up with your friends on a Friday night. Share your thoughts and views with them. By doing so, you'll feel rejuvenated and better. To spend time with yourself should be the motto. It's high time I get some space to breathe. Don't get me wrong, but when someone says I need space, that doesn't mean they're being mean. In our day-to-day lives, we go through a lot of problems. Tensions at home, at work, or maybe even personal. In such a situation, talking about your problems to someone is not what's required, but getting a deeper understanding of what you believe and how you're feeling. How do you do that? Spend time with yourself. Be calm. try to figure out what needs to be done. Take a break from all the chaos. Maintain a diary so that you can write down your thoughts, look back someday and evaluate them. What's within control and what isn't. Teenagers take part in a lot of extracurricular activities. Dance, music, sports, etc. These are some activities that help them in the overall functioning. But at the same time, knowing one's potential and capability is also very important. That's where you as parents become their guiding light. You can help them in identifying activities which can be helpful for them and activities that can be detrimental. Help your children inculcate this habit so that they can get a good amount of free time to rest and breathe. Suggest ways to get the basics back in place. Is your son or daughter stressed for a long period of time? An unhealthy lifestyle could also be a reason for all the stress. Parents in such a case should ensure their children stick to the basics like hitting the bed at the right time, avoiding mobile phones before sleep, etc. If they are following this healthy lifestyle, then you need not worry at all, for they'll be free of any kind of tension and have a peaceful mind. Brainstorm stress-relieving distractions. A stressful mind will always leave you depressed. It's extremely important to divert your mind to do an activity that's exciting and fun-filled. It can be anything like playing a musical instrument, playing your favorite sport like badminton or table tennis, watching a movie, and so on. By getting involved in such activities, children feel refreshed and most importantly stay happy. The options are right in front of you. If you choose not to do anything when you're stressed, especially relating to your lifestyle and mental health, then the road to depression is not far. So dear parents and children, we cannot eradicate the stress factor from our lives completely, but we do have options to lead a happier life. Following these tips is definitely going to leave you stress-free. All you got to do is send your stress for a long vacation and you can have a peace of mind.